to, and for. Hello and welcome everyone. I guess you have been confused at least once by these small words while writing or speaking. Though they look very small, but the confusion they create is quite big. Also, if they are written in place of each other, the meaning completely changes. So, in this video, we are going to learn when to use to and when to use for. I will also tell you one golden trick which will help you to use to and for in more easy manner when you write or speak. Let's get started and learn when to use to. First one is destination. We use to when we indicate the destination and some kind of movement is involved. For example, Tia is going to the post office. Here, destination is post office and Tia is moving towards the post office. All of us went to the restaurant. Here, destination is restaurant. Next is time. We use to when we tell time and we also use to when we are talking about amount of time between 2 points. For example, it's a 6:45. The store is open from Monday to Saturday. Now we have comparison. To is used when we compare between two. As she prefers tea to coffee, Sam prefers walking to driving. Giving. To is used when some kind of giving or we can say that transfer of something takes place. For example, I gave the book to Tia, my mother gave the keys to me. Next we have distance. We use to when we talk about distance. For example, it's about 2 kilometers from my house to school. You can easily walk from your office to the tea shop. Let's move ahead and see the use of for. First one is benefit. When we talk about benefits or positive effects or doing something nice for someone, we use for. For example, I have brought a cup of tea for you. Walking is good for our health. Duration. We use for when someone is doing something over a long period of time. For example, he lived in Australia for 3 years. Last month, I traveled for 5 days. Reason. We use for to give reasons as well. For example, he got an award for bravery. The city is famous for its food. There are other uses of to and for as well, and it gets really difficult to remember them all. Therefore, I have one golden trick for you. Here it is. Use to when the reason is a verb. Use for when the reason is a noun. Easy? Let's see some examples. I made these notes to help a friend. Here, help is a verb, so we have used to. I made these notes for a friend. Here, a friend. It's a noun, right? So we have used for. Have a look at one more example. Tina drinks coffee to feel awake. Tina drinks coffee for its delicious taste. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.